I'm 24 and my life doesn't look how I imagined. I work hard, I built a career I loved. But in early 2026, I walked away and I resigned. I'm not financially independent. I'm still struggle to socialize. I haven't traveled to place I always wanted to. For a long time, this made me feel behind. But who decided there is a deadline for life? So, I'm starting now, learning the adult basics and learning a life from scratch.